The upcoming Huawei Mate 70 Pro has been the subject of numerous leaks, and each brings new and exciting details about the flagship device. Let's take a closer look at all. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounding the Mate 70 Pro is its potential dual OS strategy. According to a leak from Huawei Digital on Weibo, the device might feature a dual-frame software setup. This would involve two operating systems: Huawei's harmonyos Next and an Android-compatible framework. For domestic users in China, harmonyos Next offers a familiar user experience, as it has evolved from Huawei's popular EMUI skin, which ran on top of Android in previous models. The significance of harmonyos Next lies in the fact that it's developed entirely in-house, allowing for potentially faster and smoother performance compared to Android. It's tailored for the Chinese market, where users don't rely on Google services as heavily. However, for the global market, the story is different. Google mobile services, which includes essential apps like Gmail, YouTube, and the Play Store, is critical for users outside China. Due to ongoing US trade restrictions, Huawei can't pre-install these services, but with a dual OS strategy, the Android-compatible framework would allow users to sideload Google apps and continue using the apps they know and rely on. This strategy could help bridge the gap between Huawei's push for harmonyos and the global dependence on Android. Another exciting development comes from Weibo tipster Fixed Focus, who has provided details on the new AI motion sensor technology set to debut with the Mate 70 Pro. This AI sensing chip is designed to enhance air gestures, a feature that Huawei introduced with the Mate 30 Pro, and has steadily improved with each new iteration. The AI motion sensor works in tandem with 3D depth sensing lenses, infrared technology, and machine learning to recognize and process hand gestures in real time. This means users can interact with their phone without physically touching the screen. For instance, one could answer calls, take screenshots, scroll through content, or control media playback simply by waving a hand in front of the display. In addition to the existing gesture controls, the Mate 70 Pro will introduce more advanced and intuitive motion-based features, further expanding how users can control their devices. This sensor will likely enhance productivity, making it easier to perform tasks on the go without having to fumble for buttons or the screen. Recent leaks suggest that Huawei will introduce improved camera features in its upcoming Mate 70 series, with a key enhancement being an upgraded ISP camera chip. According to tipster Fixed Focus on Weibo, this new ISP chip will deliver more vibrant and high-quality images, enhancing shooting effects across the series. The camera system is expected to offer a primary RGB spectrum mode that will produce more vivid colors and brighter shots than in previous models, making for a more realistic photography experience. The ISP chip will not only handle scene and face recognition, but will also fine-tune image aspects like contrast, color, and brightness, ensuring visually stunning results in various lighting conditions. The improved ISP chip will also manage crucial elements such as white balance, autofocus, noise reduction, and sharpness, refining every shot captured. The leaks further suggest that camera parameters could differ between variants of the Mate 70 series, which might lead to varied photography experiences depending on the model. With Huawei's history of incorporating innovative camera technology, the Mate 70 series is likely to continue that tradition with both new camera sensors and a signature circular camera bump on the rear side, as hinted in earlier leaks. According to Huawei, central early inputs indicate that the standard model may be equipped with an OV50H main lens, while higher-end variants could boast the more advanced OV50N and OV50M sensors, offering better versatility and enhanced image capturing capabilities. As for the release date, according to Gizmo China, Huawei has an event scheduled for October 22, 2024 in China, where it is expected to officially unveil harmonyos Next and possibly confirm the launch of the Mate 70 series. The global release could follow shortly after, though no exact dates have been provided yet. Although the official price of the Mate 70 Pro hasn't been confirmed yet, we can expect it to be priced in the $1,000 to $1,300 range, though final pricing will likely depend on the configuration and market. Are you looking forward to the dual OS strategy, or are you more intrigued by the advanced AI gestures and motion sensors? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe and like.